Haley just learned to roll over. Acaba de darse vuelta. Mira. Yay! Such a good girl, Haley. Such a good girl. Oh, you're gonna be busy, aren't you? You're gonna be busy. You did two things today. You learned how to take the soother and you rolled. This is such an exciting day. It is. It is. Which way are you gonna roll?